you're looking for an easy way to shop from Chinese marketplaces, you've probably come across shopping agents before, but today I want to introduce you to MickeyBuys. MickeyBuys helps make the buying process easier, from finding products to placing orders and communicating with sellers. You can use the MickeyBuys agent to place your order or contact their team directly if you need help with your purchase. They also offer useful resources like product spreadsheets and catalogs, QC updates, and communities where buyers can stay connected and get the latest information. In this video, I'll take you through Mickey Bias, show you how the ordering process works, explore these useful resources, and explain how you can use the platform for your own shopping. So let's jump in and see what Mickey Bias has to offer.
Guys, here is the MickeyBuys.com. The website is here in front of you. You can sign up and get $300 coupon pack. And they're also giving the 50% off on the shipping too. So first of all, guys, I'm going to take a look at the categories section, what they actually have and what they're gonna sell, everything. First of all, here's the women's section. In the women's section, you can check it out. They also have women clothing, women's bag, women's shoes, literally everything you can buy on their platform. And here you can check it out. Here's the woman, everything like the clothing if you want to check it out. And in the shoes section, you can also get the more than 60,000 like the pages or the varieties. They also have hoodies, t-shirts, jackets, pants, headwear, accessories, bags, watch, jerseys, children, perfume, electronics, sunglasses, and the other stuff. So you can buy literally everything related to your like the fashion, daily use, and everything. So you can visit the Mickey Buy today. So everything in the agent section, there are also lots of the agents, and you can check out their email section. Blocking is also available, and their WhatsApp number is also. You can also contact the WhatsApp number and get the information from them. And they're also giving some type of emails like they share the real package and win the product rewards on this platform too. So you can also check them out too. So in the trending products, you can check it out. A lot of the shoes are also available in front of you. They're also selling a lot of the varieties. If you still wanna be choose one of them, this is your best chance to explore. So guys, you can check a lot of the products over there. They are looking so much nice, basically over there. So you can also check out the varieties, and they are also selling other categories. In the women's section, you can also find a lot of the products like the women tops and other type of the jackets are also available there. So you can also go visit out, and after that, they are also selling the electronic products. You could also find the electronics products on this website too, guys. This is also a literally insane thing about this platform. If you wanna buy anything, just you can also select the product and buy through the Mickey's Buy. Basically, Mickey Buy is not an agent; it's a group of these sellers. So you can also buy through them, and also you can also buy these products in the Mickey Buy through the other agents. So it depends upon you what you want, and if you need any type of the help, you can also contact on the WhatsApp. And after that, in the Mickey catalog, you can also find a lot of the luxury shoes, luxury products on their platform. You can check it out. You can also find the one of the bestest and luxury products over there. So you can also check them out and explore it out. And in the category section, in this catalog, you can also find like the luxury things, which is also in front of you, and you can check it out. Everything's here, like the luxury brands and like the categories. You can also select one of them and explore the much more things in the Mickey catalog. So all of the links are in the description. Don't forget to check them out. And they're also available on the Reddit. On the Reddit, you can check it out. They also upload the pictures of their QC. And they also upload the pictures there, so you can also check out their pictures too on the Reddit. And they also have their WhatsApp, so you can also join their WhatsApp channel where you can also explore a lot of things about the products on the daily basis, basically. Because that was our video about the Mickey Bag. This is one of the bestest platform where you can go and buy a lot of things. I already told you that is not an agent. This is a group of these sellers where you can also select anything and buy from them in just few seconds. And their social media, everything I already have shown you. Their catalog, their Discord servers, and their Telegram, everything's available there, so you can just contact with them. So, guys, that was our video. I hope you liked and enjoyed. So we will meet in our next video. Have a great day. Please be safe, stay happy, and